This one's cute. Dino Blade is destroying all the crops. She must be stopped.
She's evil.
Master the different abilities and defeat her.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Time for another game of Sleepy Kirby's.
Sleepy Curbs.
This is
Time for a new game. Oh, look at him. Joyful. Oh my god. Tragedy has struck. He's got a concussion.
He has discovered gravity.
Brain damage.
Wait, what?
False start. What the fuck?
He has discovered brain damage.
Veteran gamer. Dime Gamers with Matty Rossi.
Nice. Let's go.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Do it then. Do you have to click something?
Probably. I just watching him dance. Kirby, and away we go.
Oh, look at him go. Oh shit.
That's also fun.
Get him.
What's suckers?
Suck him up. Suck him up, boy. And here I am.
It's Rose on the scene.
Me on the scene with my
Boomerang and bing bong.
my boomerang. Oh!
Off to murder once again.
I love it. I can't stop.
I'm just gonna try over here.
It's okay. I'll kill them all. I can't jump. I kinda lied. Oh shit! He's spunking
You
everywhere.
can hold your attack.
I can't.
Hold it down.
I can't.
You can do a cool little jump sword. Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Oh! He bumped into me, the fucker.
Oh, fuck's sake.
I'm swimming.
Keep on doing that.
Get him. Get him. Get. Shit. I'm low on health. Look at me go. Shit.
Yeah, just fucking run head first. Fuck it.
Listen, I don't know what's going on.
Never do I. I keep on doing chucking away the
Night.
weapon. Yeah, there we go.
How long did it take for us to build that bed?
Oh, we built a bed today.
Took us like 8 hours.
Well, we did it in 2 parts because I was getting rather frustrated.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. It's fun.
Yeah, you got annoyed at the screws.
Yeah, it was my own fault though. I kind of just did it without looking at the instructions. So
It's where these men go wrong.
these men all go. Always go.
It's why
wrong.
lesbians are better DIYers.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a man. I don't need instructions. Just do all of them.
Suck
Man.
dick in a
Suck dick in a park. Do what I
Suck dick in a
want.
park. It's an inside joke.
Ah.
Oh no.
Inside a park.
Inside these nuts. Let's go. Oh shit. How fun was that? Shit. Sorry.
I'm so happy with. Why are you so sorry? I'm so happy with playing this. Such a happy little game. Look at
It is a happy little game.
As I
Fucking
kill
up
him.
dudes. Like, oh shit.
Fucking up boys.
Love it.
I'm Kirby and it's time to
shit,
take out the
be careful.
trash.
Dude, I'm trying to kill people here.
No,
You're running away.
fine. You can. You're right there, mate. I'm gonna see you. You can teleport to me. Can't
I was jacking off. Yeah, I can.
I think it hurts you there.
No, it doesn't. Oh my god, I think it does. No, it doesn't. Wait, I'm confused. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, bomb.
I'm okay.
Oh,
Oh.
maybe we did need to go down the hole.
Oh. Okay.
A boss.
Oh, shit.
It's a cook.
Get him before he cooks us up. Before he chefs us and our nans.
Fucked him. Why is he cooking our nans? He's got no
Shank,
right.
because that's what the roadmen do. They shank the nans.
Why do they shank? What did the nans do?
I don't know. Go.
They fired them from a cannon. You gotta press the button. That's your bar left, isn't it?
Oh shit.
Whee!
Look at you go. I
Yeet.
launched you.
Yeet, Kirby. Ooh.
That was absolutely exhilarating.
Loads of lives. I love this. So
I'm having
happy.
fun. Shit, there's a dragon at the top of that mountain, did you see?
It's a big bird. That's the Dark Wing, Evil Wing, Blade Wing, whatever the fuck his name is. Wing Wing,
Wing Wing,
Yeah,
that sounds a bit
Chinese.
racist to say
Wing
that
Wang.
sounds Chinese.
Wing Wang China, man.
You know what's really funny though?
So-
2 Chinese places at my old house, Mr. Ming and Mr.
Oh yeah,
Ping.
Ming King.
Mr. Ming and Mr. Ping.
Well, it's short and sweet. Like,
Yeah,
you can remember those.
they are memorable, I'll give them that. Very friendly Chinese restaurants.
Yeah, Mr. Ming
I love a Chinese.
and Mr. Ping. If we could get sponsored by China. What the fuck was that?
Sponsor me, China.
That little
We love bombs.
pineapple. He's got wizard.
Get him.
Oh, I want to be the wizard though.
Suck him.
Have that. I'm trying to. I can't fucking remember all the buttons. Ah, he ran away.
No, he's here.
Fell. What? No.
He's gone now.
I'm good.
No, you're not. You're rubbish.
Don't let the audience know.
Hold on, everyone. I'm vaping.
She's busy.
Can't multitask
real
with this
job.
game. My real job.
Yeah.
I'll have you
can't
know.
handle the stress of Kirby's.
I'm just jumping into all the coconuts.
Don't let these nuts fall on you.
Shut up.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
Ja.
I'm bleeding to death.
Yeah, no you're not. Kiss me,
You
kiss
should
me,
have
kiss
been.
me.
Oh, let me. Let me.
That's
Oh.
nice of you. Thank you.
Oh.
Wait, I think we're meant to go up there. Yay.
Wow.
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 Oh
Stop
no,
it.
he's reflecting me. I want him. Give it to me. Yeah.
Wow, nice. You got a jester hat. Oh shit, a mushroom dick.
Shrooms. Mind out for their chodes.
Love the chodes.
The chodes are scattered all around the shop. Oh no, we need the wheelie guy. Yeah.
The wheelie guy.
The wheelie guy.
Yeah.
I need the wheelie guy.
Oh, him.
Fuck yeah, that. Oh,
Not that.
you're called Kibble.
My name's Ploppy, actually.
Plop.
For fuck's sake.
My name's Mr. Ploppy. There was another one here, wasn't there? No.
Yeah, there is.
No good. Ah,
Quick!
yeah, there we go.
Nom nom nom.
Alright, and then
Oh, you're cool.
yeah, and then I can jump on you.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh shit! Fuck him up, fuck him up. Holy maloney. Holy shit balls.
Yeah, look at Kirby.
Yeah, look at him go. Whoa! Whoa, shit.
Oh, it's a monkey man.
It's okay.
Roll on him.
I'm trying.
Yeah, zoom. Yeah.
Shit.
Get him
Here we
up,
go.
belly.
Oh my god, you ate him. Bloody hell.
Roll kill. Nom 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 nom.
Ooh.
Nom. Nom. Ooh. Nom.
No.
I wanna go. I wanna get on ya. I wanna get
Mm.
on ya.
Oh, yeah. Straddle me, Kirby.
What? Oh no.
Why'd you do that for?
I've destroyed a home.
Bloody war
I
criminal.
was just hit the button. They said. Cadless dead.
In the trolley
Oh.
theory, Kirby will always pick the one with the most people.
Yeah.
That was good. Did you like how I did that?
That was at least a 7.
That was at least a 7, which is a nice number, a nice...
Even number. What's the E?
Yeah, 7. That's
Hero Hammer.
that's Eleanor on his way to us.
Eleanor's coming.
Eleanor's
No,
coming.
Where are you going?
Sorry, I'm running off with... Straddle me, straddle me,
I'm trying to-
straddle me, Kirby. Yeah, straddle me. Yeah, Kirby, straddle me. Yeah, straddle.
Fucking sit still. You goddamn.
I want it. Oh shit.
Oh.
Here we go. Here we go. Shit. Oh shit, that's a wall. Sleepy time, bear. Oh shit.
Oh, hello, bear.
Bloody hell.
Oh no, I lost my. No, got my hammer.
It's okay, he's gone. There was another thing up there, you missed it.
Oh.
It's okay, I clean him out. This is an overpowered little guy. Shit, never mind.
Not anymore, he's not. You're on fire!
Yo, what the fuck is happening to me?
I'm beating them. Beat. Happy monkey.
Oh my gosh! Monkey slap! Monkey slap! Oh, monkey slap! Oh, monkey! Oh, slap! Oh, slap! Oh, shit! Monkey box!
Yay!
Oh, shit! Where'd you go?
I'm just a rock. Oh, Yo-Yo Boy, he's cool.
Well, I killed him. So.
Oh, well. I think we just got to jump. Well, not on the fire. You dumb dumb.
Monkey burn!
Monkey flammable. Monkey fire.
Oh no, monkey die.
He popped. You can be a rock. I wanna be a. Oh.
Shit.
Did you not hear me say I wanted to be a snowman? Why
Oh.
the snowman?
Did I kill him?
Yeah, you murdered him dead.
I didn't mean to, I don't know where I've gone. I don't know what's happening.
You're an ice cube now.
Why am I a piece of chicken with a bandana on my head?
You're magical though. You can, there's a rock that is like a naked statue of a dude.
Ooh, food. Kiss me, baby.
Give me the juice.
Why am I stuck like that?
Because you turn into a rock. 'Cause that's your power.
Ooh, zoom.
Whee! Face first. There it is.
What the fuck?
Hello, darling.
Absolutely rabbit.
Oh,
Okay. No, it's fine. Just leave me behind. It's cool.
let's go. Just
I
head
get it.
first into the bombs.
Bye, bitch.
There's cannons. Oh fuck.
Oh no, I'm just.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit.
What?
I did it before you did.
I'm so dumb. How the fuck do I use ladders?
Generally. Well, you want to start with the right footwear. No flip flops. No slippy substances on your shoes like jizz.
No jizz on shoes.
From the man in the park.
Yeah. No man park.
No man
Jizz.
park juice. Am I even doing anything to him?
You are. Hang on, I want the bug. Oh, you ate the bug. Mr. Frog. I hate the bug. This is my show.
Yeah.
No, no good. No, no good. No, no good.
Just eat me. What the fuck?
Okay.
I've been betrayed.
Well,
Ultimately and eternally
you
betrayed.
get what you ask for.
I feel it deep within my soul. I'm gonna kill myself now.
Well, I got one up, so feel free to do that.
Okay.
We got lives to spare. Eleanor's
Oh,
on.
Eleanor's gone
Who the
home.
fuck is Eleanor?
She's coming back though, did you see?
No! Would you like to be Mr. Frosty? Or Chili?
My name's Chili, mate.
Really? Oh, I want to be this guy. Super Saiyan. Oh, fire! Oh, fire!
I'm Ice. It's like Fire Boy and Ice. Wait, Fire Girl. What's that game called? Which one's the fire?
It's
Which
like
one's
Lava
the water?
Boy and Shock.
Oh yeah, no. The cold and hot one.
It's jizz,
The hot boy and the cold girl.
Jizz cold and
There's
hot.
just a chicken attacking me.
Flamey meatloaf.
Ah yes, the classic game, Flamey Meatloaf.
Man, I wish I was funny.
Ah,
How do we
hide!
get this? Oh,
Like that.
we need monkey power.
No. Kill them all.
No, burn them.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
No, you're gonna die. Get the hammer.
Can't.
Get the fire. Oh, no, you're right. I want to beat the monk.
Monkey!
And then we got to go back down.
Monk!
Slap the boy.
Slap the monk.
Go down here.
I forgot how to go down.
Beat the boy.
Beat the boys.
And you hit the button.
Oh.
No way.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, now we have to do that all again.
Wait,
Oh.
was you doing
Oh.
that?
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
We need to jump.
No.
Dude, just go in it. For
Oh,
fuck's
I'm
sake.
dumb.
Monkey's scared. What's the point in that?
Fuck, I can't. I'm fucking retarded. I don't know the buttons. It's not like I've played this a million times before and I should know better.
I kill the bird and the
And
sunflower.
the frog.
Monkey slap everything in its weight.
Destroy nature.
Oh! Oh!
Fuck.
Oh!
I'm glad you enjoy Monkey Man. Does someone need Betty? Oh, give me a spear. I want to swim in away.
I'm coming.
Oh, beat him.
Monkey slap.
Wait.
This isn't the right way, man. I was going the right way the whole time. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back.
I'm coming.
Come back. There's a frog.
Oh.
Oh shit, I've died. Help me. Help me. Help me, mate. You should.
Eat it.
You just threw your hammer at me.
I was hoping it would do something.
Monkey slap.
Oh, now we need the fire one. Cool. God damn it.
Why'd you do that to me?
Because I told you like 2 seconds ago I'm bad, I don't know the button.
Monk.
No, we need that. Monkey beat him to death.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Oh, I don't think I should have done that.
You like.
Oh.
You make it says help down there, but I don't feel like there's much helping going on.
Help! Help! Monkey on fire! Help. I popped. So did he though. Copycat. Fuck him.
I can't fuck him. Ah, he's gonna help me. Ah, he's gonna fuck me. Ah, get away. Oh.
And he's dead.
Tit.
I'm hit!
Tit waffle.
I love a tit waffle.
I'm fucking dead. Get in my belly.
Hello!
Here you go, helper.
Help is back.
Help is on the way.
Hashtag help. Hashtag help. Hashtag.
Yum yum. Hashtag. Ah!
Shit! Be careful, they turn it to lava.
It's fire.
Is fire hot? No, wait.
I don't know, dude.
James!
I guess it is, yeah.
That's not what I meant.
Look, I won up. I can't get it. Yay!
Hello.
Hello, I'm Mr. Frog.
Shit.
I like to jump on fire because I'm fucking dumb.
Hello. I like to swim.
In we go.
Ooh, umbrellas. It's a nice surprise, isn't it?
Yeah, singy boy.
Sing to him. Holy fuck!
I blew their mind.
Pineapple.
No!
Sorry.
My music. Daddy-o!
Hey-ya!
I said, hey,
Chimona!
Chickamona,
Chickamona!
give me a kiss.
Mm.
Kiss me and I'll beat him.
Easy.
He's spitting
He
you up.
can't for me. I didn't consent to that. That's bloody sexual harassment. Sing some heavy metal.
Flexing.
Yeah, scare him off.
You can't get me.
He showed me his bum.
And now you're a Frosty. Ah! I want him. Get him already. Yeah.
Yum.
Now I'm ice cold killer.
Here I am.
Kirby's strutting for puss. Freezing the monkey.
I can't even see that that's a monkey. I want it. Can I be monkey?
Yes.
How do I make myself
Jump on
monkey?
him. No, I don't think that worked. Oh, sorry, I lied. I don't know how actually.
Give me the chicken.
Ah, Frosty.
Shit.
Ah.
Shit.
How did you do that one? Oh.
Dunno, I just start button bashing, to be honest.
I think they're dead.
Get cubed up, mate. Wieners!
A number 2.
Sounded like one, didn't it?
Where's Kirby? He's meant to be dancing.
No, you didn't go as far as me.
No.
Because you're fat. Because you're fat ass. You're fat. Fat little.
Why are you bullying me and my fat bum bum?
Let's go. Come on, boy. I'm not waiting around for you.
I'm
gonna go without you. I'm gonna go without you.
I'm fat.
I'm going. I'm going. I'm going.
Slow cock.
I'm going.
Fat, I've got small legs.
I'm going.
Where are you going?
I'm going.
Oh.
Monkey.
No. Let's go.
Off we go.
We have to bite the bird in space.
We're off to bite the bird in space.
Bite, it's not bite.
Can I bite him though?
No. He's full of AIDS.
Oh shit, AIDS bird. AIDS bird. Get him.
Gotta hit the head. Ow.
I'm dying.
Yeah, it's not looking grand for you, is it?
No. Oh shit, he's got
Oh,
you.
Kirby! Ah!
I popped.
Kirby, get off of me! He's touching me! He's inappropriately touching me!
Quickly.
Don't touch me!
Sexual harassment.
Get him for me!
I can't. I can't. I'm not very good.
Oh god. Ah!
Shit. I seem to have died. Soon.
Right, easy.
I can feel it coming.
Oh,
My death approaches me. I feel the doom every single day.
well, we both died together. Would you like to be this one?
Yes, please. It's nice that they prepare you for it. You don't get that much in modern games. Are you ready? It's about to get serious up in here. It's bird time! Let's go!
Let's lick tits.
Let's lick tits! I'm licking. I'm licking.
I'm licking them. Give me your, I'm licking them. I'm gonna lick ya.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm getting him. I'm getting him. I'm getting him.
I'm keeping him distracted.
Shit, he's got me. Shit, he's got me.
Touching us. Ah!
Oh no, shit.
Fuck, no, I need that. Ah. Fuck, no, I did it again. Oh, I'm such a dumb fuck.
Shit. I wish he had a health bar.
Does.
Does he?
Yeah, bottom right.
Oh, shit. What, the bird?
Yeah.
Is his name N?
His name is Henry. Henry Dick Fuck. And he sucks
Shit!
a cock.
We did it.
Yeah.
I died.
Well, at least nothing of value was lost.
Kill his babies. Burn them. Burn them. Holy fuck!
Push him off the fucking edge.
Oh, he's giving it to the tree.
Feed him to the woods.
No way, that's so cute. I was so sad about that tree. Genuinely in my heart, I was thinking about that tree. Oh my god, Kirby isn't a monster. He raised 3 children.
Yeah, he's got 3 killer birds now that he's gonna rule over all of Kirby Kingdom with.
I'm so proud of him. After the divorce, I know it was rough for him, but he's really rebuilt himself.
Yeah, I mean, he murdered their mother.
It's beyond the point though. Man's got to do what he's got to do.
Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta kill a bitch and set her children free. Good night, everyone.